Hey, so today I'm going to be making a few quick videos on how to install and basically use the Arma Reforger tools because, well, there isn't really any tutorials on how to do anything as of currently, at least that I can find. So I figured I'd do them myself. So this video is just going to go over installing it and basically some resources that I have found, and then I'll do a couple more just, the bare bone basics, importing models, setting up textures, just kind of what I've figured out so far, as I'm learning it just pretty much as well as everyone else is right now. So basically, let's get right into it. I want to keep these videos relatively short. So basically, to install the tools, all you have to do is go to your Steam, and after you've bought the game, instead of going to your games section, you go up here, uncheck games and everything else. I mean, you can leave them checked. It's easier to find if you do that. And then check tools, and it should be right up near the top. Arma Reforger tools. You'll click on it, click install. I already have it installed. So once that's installed, you'll be able to press launch. It'll open this little launcher for you. You won't see this. This was just me testing it. So you'll be able to basically press create new. I would turn on the core resources. And then you've got your, you have to have like the base assets, but I would turn on core as well. And then basically choose where you want to put it. I've already made a folder here, a subfolder. Select it. Okay. And it'll start to boot up. Take a minute here. Oh, opened up on my other screen. You won't get this initially. You'll get this blank screen. Here, let me see if I can bring it up actually. You'll get this blank screen where it'll basically be, you'll be able to see like world editor, particle editor, animation editor, script editor, and you'll basically be able to choose one. Here, let me see if I close all these, if that's what actually it goes back to. Sorry, that was just some testing. Yeah, this is what you'll get. Sorry. So when you first open it up, if you've never opened it before, you'll get this screen. I just was doing some testing stuff. So yeah, you'll get this world editor, all the editors. You'll basically be able to click on one, and it'll open it. Boom. Anywho, I'm going to go over that all in another video. I just wanted to show how to install, how to open it, bare bone basics. The other thing I want to go over is the few resources I have found. So all these links will be in the description. So this is just their dev hub. There's not a whole lot. So you've got their docs, which are mostly like if you click on anything, it'll mostly be it'll just hang on, empty, or it'll say currently under construction. So not a whole lot there, but I imagine it'll get built up. And then we've got the sample mods, which they got a little Git Hub repository with basics, like basic weapon, basic prop, just kind of so you can see how these things are constructed, and basically be able to replicate that with whatever custom content you want to add. So all the links for this stuff will be in the description. But yeah, I wanted to keep this short, just kind of the very bare bone basics, and then I'll cover the rest in other short videos very specific to the thing. So if you want to know how to import models, but you don't really care for the particle editor, you can just watch a couple-minute video on specifically the importing models and not have to, sift through a bunch of particle editor stuff. Also, I'll have a link to Blender, which is what I'm going to be using for showing off exporting models and everything, just because I figured that will be the most common program that people will use. If someone wants me to show another program, I can do that. But yeah, so I'll put all the links for stuff you'll need for future tutorials and just overall resources in the description. So short video, but thanks, and I'll get on to the next one. Thanks for watching.